Okay, so here's an example of how the trade reversal opportunity looks like. An example of Netflix. Okay, so it keeps going for the last 5 days from 380 all the way to 415 yesterday. Today, it actually gaps up higher all the way to a high of 423. Well, here's the psychology behind these moves. Okay, so here's the analysts announcing price target increase to 500. So the people that were trying to buy here,
ask in November on semiconductor.
the people that were actually buying the stock right here at 380, 385, 390, what do you think they're doing this morning? Yes, absolutely. They're locking in the gains and they're collecting the profits. Now, if some people were actually observing this price action thinking, oh my God, it's going too high. Well, at 390, it's too high to buy. At 400, it's too high to buy. At 410, it's too high to buy. What do you think they were doing when they saw the price of 423 this morning? Well, they were the ones that actually got in and said, look, I can't take this no more. I got to get me a piece of this action. And guess what's happening to them right now? They're losing their butt off. So typically, when you see consecutive moves higher and higher like this actually presents an insane opportunity. And as you can see, the price moves lower much, much faster than it actually moving. So as you can see, the price falls much faster than in relation to when it was moving higher right here. It took it the entire day to move higher. The way it's falling right now looks like it's going to hit a range of 405 very easily. So this is what's going on with the options. Even right now, it wouldn't be too late to take the trade. Actually got Amazon falling at the same time. So all the FANG stocks, as much as they've been talked to over the last few days, over the last month, they all reach a momentum where profit taking starts taking place. So this is what we got going on with Netflix right now. Netflix currently at 414. These options, if you were to buy the 410 puts right now at 315, they would produce a 300% return by the end of the day. So not too bad for just a few hours of trading. But you actually would have been able to get the price alert from us from the stock alerts this morning when it was trading at 423 range right here. So needless to say, since then it's got a nice fall, 413 tracking lower. Guys, this is how the money is made, okay? When the sentiment becomes just too overly bullish, okay, then rule number one is short at the top. If you'd like to sign up for the alerts, just follow the link below so you wouldn't miss great reversal opportunities like this ever again. Whoa, stop. What is going on here? Well, what you're looking at is a plummeted price of AutoZone stock in just a matter of an hour or two when it went up pre-market from 710 and fell later in the day all the way to 596. Why should you care? By utilizing a very simple option strategy, we were able to turn every $1,000 of investment from 9:30 in the morning till 10:45 a.m. into an excess of $10,000. That's right, literally a $10,000 investment produced in excess of $100,000 in gains. The crazy truth about stocks and options trading: most of the fortunes were created when stocks fall. So if you're not utilizing this crazy strategy, you're definitely missing out on thousands of dollars and you're leaving that money on the table for somebody else. Look, these are the facts. Just think about it. Stocks drop actually much, much faster than it takes them to climb higher. So just take a look. There's your AZO graph right here. It took it a month, 2 months to get from this 580 level all the way to about 700. And look how fast it dropped just in one day. Now, how do we know that this had a potential to happen? Look, it has a history of doing these things at the same level at around 700. It did it last time during the earnings report. So you don't have to be a rocket science. You just got to know which stocks, when to take action, and you got to know how to find the stocks. Has it ever occurred to you that every day when the market goes higher, there's plenty of stocks that actually drop? Because if every day some stocks did not drop, then the market would go to the moon, just like Bitcoin, right? The reality of life, everything that goes up must come down. Look at the housing bubble in 2008. Bitcoin prices, when nobody believed, we put a recommendation at 18,800 to short Bitcoin. In other words, to make money when it falls. The bottom line is this: you don't need a market crash for you to actually profit on stocks falling. The opportunities are there every single day. You just got to know where to look for. If you grasp the simple idea that stocks fall much faster than they go up, you will be able to become a much more effective and efficient stock or options trader. Okay, hold on. So what you're saying is while everybody's chasing the stocks on the way higher, the real money is actually made when stocks drop. Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. If you'd like to learn more about this fascinating and yet such a simple strategy, I invite you to go behind the scenes with me where I will reveal to you how I turned 12,000 into 466,000 in less than 7 hours trading options with this strategy. And I know this sounds crazy, but I actually did it. And I want to share with you all the specifics, all the details of how I was able to accomplish that. So if you'd like to become a better trader, take action now. Click the link on the button below. Life is too short. Don't waste another minute. Today is your day.